going to install IBM QRadar, which is part of the Cloud Pak suite, to a VM using the OVA file. So first we're going to do a create or register the VM here. Okay, deploy an OVA file here. Now it's going to want the file. We're going to call it QRadar. And it looks like my caps lock is stuck on here. There we go. And we're going to get the file here. There's QRadar right there. Looks like I have enough memory, enough disk drive for it, so that's fine. 844 will work, I would think. Network mapping, VM network, what do we have here? That's all I have, and I think thick, thin is fine. There we go. And off we go. So it's uploading the file now down here off my local machine here with a browser. Looks like it breaks it up into an ISO and a VMDK out of the OVA, which is fine. I'm on a local gig network, so that should be fast enough. I think it's going reasonably fast. This is all going over my local LAN. There's no connections out of the office here. All right, looks like it's up. It should power on automatically. Looks like it's still working on something here. It's still powering up or twirling around there, so let it cook. It's most likely installing. And it's saying use space unknown, so yeah, it's still installing, and it's CentOS 7. So there are some metrics here we know about. With QRadar Community, it looks like this was 7.33 Community Edition. Anyway, this is the easy way to install it instead of having to fight with the installer and ISOs and all that. And most clients are running VMware anyway inside somewhere. It's too bad we can't get a snapshot. I wonder if we could do that. If I double click on this thing, let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's see what it's doing. Looks like I can log into it. Does that mean it's done? Perhaps it is done. Okay, locate the next video for next steps. Thanks for watching.